There's a lot of people sort of meandering around that are in rather bigger cars than me. I got scared.
Here we are, people. Alana's got the camera on her head.
Do I?
You do, believe it or not.
Wow.
Magic.
Phew,
For a bit of
blown.
a point of view, drive round.
Bit of a pov.
Bit of a pov.
Something moved.
Your bottles and the bag in the back.
What we're saying, what didn't move?
Yeah,
then.
exactly. Because we've had a little snack to eat. A bit of snackaroonie.
Ooh.
Are you going for the mountain?
Oh, if I have to.
The mountain, not mountain.
The mountain that last time we were here looked scary.
Yeah. It kind of is scary when you're staring at the clouds.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Look
I
like
think
for a
because
view.
we've done like quite a lot now, it don't seem so scary, which is a bit ironic, isn't it?
Now would be a bad time to get stuck.
Equal bit.
By the way, when Alana does that, probably all you can see is head, like the sun visor.
Yeah. I can't rearrange my head, unfortunately.
Please stop sitting upright.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I can't see anything.
Yeah, that's not important.
Yeah.
The viewers are the most important.
Of course, of course.
Hiya, people.
That's a disappointing place to spectate from, isn't it?
Well, it probably isn't when people are going round.
True.
It's a bit like me, that when I jump out to get some footage, everyone disappears, I jump in the car, and everyone appears.
Let's talk about. Are they judging the fact I have a camera on my head right now?
No, they're judging we're going around in a Freelander.
Yeah,
Because we all
good
know
point.
Freelanders can't off-road.
No,
It's
that's
a
true.
given fact that they just can't do it.
Oh look, them dune
The
buggy things are
buggies.
there. I think this might have been where I picked that stick up last time.
Probably.
Because I take it too tight, so the back wheel gets stuck. Whee!
I'm watching the buggy, it's quite incredible what it can achieve.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's like they can achieve things they shouldn't be able to achieve.
It's like that's not even a line, but that's quite cool. I don't know if you can see it, GoPro. I'm trying to show you. I can see it, so you should be able to see it. That's pretty cool.
If Alana can see it, then you should definitely see it.
Oh look, he's on his quad bike. Yeah, so we might as well be big boss man. I can't even speak anymore.
By the way, everyone, if you want a bit of a giggle, we did a video over a year and a half ago at this place when the car was completely stock. Yeah, this is so much better. Now we've done a few modifications.
It's all that.
Oh,
I don't know if I've been up here before.
I don't think you have, but
Not sure where the road is right now. There we go.
the road. There's a
Well,
road.
you know what I mean. The track, the bit
dirt-
you should run on.
The dirt track.
I suddenly looked at that. Hang on a minute. I don't know where I'm aiming for right now.
See, Freelanders can't off-road.
No, definitely not.
Terrible cars.
They're really bad off-road. Looks like it's going to wane.
You've said that all day.
Yeah, but it does, doesn't it?
It's almost like you want it to wane.
A little bit wouldn't hurt. More so when we're driving home because
Yeah.
it saves us cleaning the car. Now would be a good time to get stuck down there because everybody would watch.
Yes.
I'm not going to because I'm not one of those people.
Jeep taking an alternative line. Not quite sure.
At least it flattens it out for everybody, which is kind of convenient, isn't it?
That's quite the angle for the Jeep.
It is, isn't it? The Jeep that got stuck a minute ago.
Ooh.
Hey,
nice.
drifty! He did a drift.
He did do a drift.
As long as he's not stopped the other side of this hill.
That could be quite concerning, or he's reversing back over.
Yeah.
But yeah, great day has been.
I kind of did that just to prove a point that Freelanders can do it too.
They can't. They're terrible.
It's annoying, isn't it?
Who'd own a Freelander?
I know, right?
We all know they're expensive, they float, can't do off-road.
I like that. We all know they're expensive. They float. My hand positioning's interesting today.
Whatever you do, don't buy a Freelander.
No.
Bad idea, because they definitely can't achieve stuff like this.
Leave them for us to buy instead. They're massive rocks just there. That's how you do it without stalling.
Wait,
I actually let go of the steering wheel then.
that's a little concerning.
I'm not quite sure why.
I'm waiting for you to let go of the steering wheel and the pedals and be a passenger.
Yeah, why not?
Look, I'm a passenger.
Yeah, why not? What's the worst that could happen?
Suddenly decided I want to do passenger during.
Passenger Jajuran.
Yes.
I just find this course so funny because it's like when we did it like as rookies, like complete rookies, just we found even things like this scary.
Yeah.
And now it's just like, yeah, we just know how to sort of approach it a bit better.
By the way, if this has a sun fade, it's because the battery's gone flat. It's only got about 20%, so we're just running it till it's dead.
Yeah, we are. It's still flashing, so.
Yeah, so far so good.
I'm still flashing, so we're okay.
Alana is flashing.
I am flashing. Oh, hey.
Oh no! You are going that away.
Yeah, I am.
Midland Rock. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Came up it, so we can go down now.
Yes. I thought for a minute and I was like, I don't remember where this bit goes. Ooh.
All good.
Nice.
I'm just trying to do it
I didn't think
slowly.
it was on the right peak.
No, all good. Just trying to do it slowly rather than just flying over.
Classy. This is that mud that's more resistant
bird,
than
me.
you think.
Just trying to see where he's going.
Flashy lights. We all like flashy lights.
We do like flashy lights. He's going that way. So
He's going that way.
I'm going this way. Oh, I got mud splatters on my windscreen.
Oh no.
Got a screen wash, can't have mud splatters. Thanks, Chevy. Don't know what accent's that meant to be. I think I'm turned on.
There you go, people, we're back again. The camera battery died on Alana's funky accent.
But now I'm turned on, so we're good to go.
She was turned off, but now she's turned back on again.
Exactly. It happens to us. I've got an itchy foot.
Well, that's a bad time.
And
That's
an
a you
itchy knee.
problem.
I can itch my knee while I go, that's fine.
Well, that's convenient.
Isn't it just? I love the fact there's two ranges here. Oh, I haven't gone up. Oh no, I don't think I'd want to go up from that angle because you'd be foot down and then turn quite sharp. If we had like the whole low range creeping up a hill thing, then you would.
And an auto. And Joel's car.
Not even that, just like, I don't know.
Is it taking your mind not to go up the mountain?
Very much.
Because it's very inviting.
I know there's a sign that says no entry, but I do think it looks quite fun.
You almost want to ask them, at the end of the day, can we just have one go at it going the other way?
By the way, that's the bit I was looking at, because I think we could make it through, but obviously there's a lot of claggy mud. So that's what puts me off. I nearly forgot to turn. Got distracted.
Squeaky brakes are squeaky. Jeep is making his own lines.
Oh, when you were stood on that hill, you know the wheat?
Might come over.
Yeah, I know, it's okay.
Yeah, I think it's coming over that hill, maybe.
You know the wheats that are like, have those spiky balls on the top of them?
Yeah.
You had one of them literally perfectly in line with your crotch.
Oh, nice.
It just looked so funny.
I did it intentionally.
Of course you did.
I knew.
I like the fact everyone's parked up, which is a bit weird.
You're surprised everyone got up the hill.
I was going to, but because I don't know if there's someone parked directly opposite, it put me off a bit.
Okay. See, everyone's parked up now for lunch.
Yeah, it almost seems that way. Is it lunchtime?
11:29.
Oh. So, yes and no. It's whatever time you make it.
Exactly. It's lunchtime somewhere in the world.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere, whatever the saying is.
People are looking at you strange, Alana. I
Why?
can't understand why.
I've just got one of those faces.
I think you might have something on your forehead, but I'm not sure.
Oh.
Yeah, I think you got it.
Yeah, I got it. Not.
By the way, feel free to click a like on this video. Likes mean more content because we know you like it. And also, if you like this POV content, feel free to mention it. Put in the comments, I like the POV.
Yeah, I like the POV.
Or feel free to put in the comments, I don't like the POV.
Exactly.
I'll come in from straight.
It's okay, I'm going over there. I'm going to do that bit in reverse.
But yeah, feel free to let us know if you like or dislike the POV.
I'd prefer if you liked it though.
Yeah.
I must admit, but no pressure.
So would I, it's kind of easy to make. Let's just hope no one comes the other way.
Exactly.
Whee! Duff duff. Hill descent, working hard.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm surprised you didn't go over that hill the other way. Jeep doing Jeep.
Oh wow.
Jeep is Jeep.
Can you see his back tyre?
I can.
It was so compressed it did in. Okay, just gonna have a little drink break while I watch him get stuck.
He won't get stuck, he's a Jeep.
He will get stuck because he's a Jeep.
He's a sheep.
Jeep.
Oh, Jeep. Hi, everyone, by the way. Hi. Sponsored by Fanta.
Sponsored by the new tops.
Oh, new top. Well, this ain't a new top. It's disconnected. Or did you? Oh, new top. I thought you were on about the tops.
I almost pinched on it.
You almost did.
I was meant to be watching the Jeep. I almost pinched your nipple.
Sorry about that, everyone.
We'll save that for the other channel, shall we say?
Yeah.
I got bored. I thought now was a good time, seeing as you're having a drink.
Yeah. I'm glad you stopped briefly. We will cut this video off at some point. This has turned out to be a longer video than even I planned.
It's annoying, isn't it?
Blame Alana.
I'm trying to avoid the wet stuff, but I'll go through this bit just this once.
Sploosh.
It is ironic that my t-shirt today says let's get, wait, what does it say? Let's get dirty. And I'm avoiding the mud.
Yeah, let's talk about
Squirt. Squirted. I saw a car somewhere around here, but I don't know where it was.
Well, it's funny that, because there is a few around here. I don't know if you know. No one seems to be going in the forest.
Scary.
Part of me almost wants to walk through there to see why everyone's avoiding it.
There's a lot of people stood on there.
Whoa. Let's get down. Let's get down to business.
Give you one more night. Oh, I haven't seen that car before. There's a
Pajaro.
Is that a Pajaro?
I think so.
I'm not sure.
By the way, feel free to put in the comments how annoying we are.
We are very annoying.
It'd be nice if you say we're not annoying, but...
Oh yeah, we're not. Oh, do you mean... Oh.
I mean us.
I thought you meant me.
Well, the sound of my voice.
There's a
I'm hanging by my
thingy.
seatbelt here. Like a hanging sheep.
There was a thingy over there.
Well, that's great, but all my blood's gone to my head.
That's annoying, isn't it? There was a glider. Glider. That's what I was trying to say. Should have gone over that, but... Ups.
We seem to be doing a lap around the flattest bit of the course.
Unintentionally, it's because I was going to go up that way, but there was a car in the way. And I got bored, apparently.
By the way, if this is all the content we get because Alana's flying the battery, blame her.
I want to have a go on that quad bike.
Maybe you ask him.
Yeah.
Of course, me.
Well, that don't look that deep, that puddle. I'm still not going through it, but... Whee!
Yeah, we're not avoiding puddles because this car can't do it. It just seems to drag the plastic bit from underneath the car off, and I don't really want to be getting underneath this car today if I can help it.
Well, there's that, and there's also just, it gets into all the places you don't want it to get. And it's like, that's not ideal, is it really?
Not really.
Let's go up here, shall we? Because it's not flat.
Slippy slidey.
A little bit. You kind of drift your way up. Whee!
I thought you was not going to turn in time.
I was beginning to wonder. I didn't really have my hand in the appropriate position, as you will see when you watch this back.
Get yourself in the appropriate position.
My hand positioning is, I'm doing a U today, put it that way. Whee!
Hey. Rock and rolling. Ooh.
Oh, he's balls me up. I was actually going to try.
I was about to say go left.
I was going to. I'm going to hold for a moment just in case he's moving to win.
Oh, look at that green one go.
Go, what do you call it?
Go, green one.
Go, disco.
Go, green one. Hi guys, we're over here.
I'm not sure what they're videoing.
Oh my god.
Is there even anybody over there?
No, don't think so. You've got a head a gun. I don't know if they're filming.
I think they might be filming that rangy. I'll stay out with their film.
Little butt.
Those rangies look massive.
Little butt. So capable.
You are very welcome, chap. I like it when people thank me.
Maybe
it's very
you follow
polite.
him and get in the back end of their video.
Yeah. I'm going this way. This was the way I was trying to get to earlier on, but I couldn't work out how to get to it.
Yeah, Alana just decided to keep driving in circles.
I did about 3 laps, didn't I?
It's like, I said drop me off here, I'm going to do some filming, and then she just went round and round me like 3 times. Like it was some sort of roundabout.
Look, they're moving.
Hey.
Do you think I can get it from the side? I think I can. Don't know why, that angle hurts my back. The way I stopped.
I'm glad these seatbelts lock.
Good, isn't it? Oh, it's not that bad. Somehow it looked, I thought it would be worse.
Yeah, you did.
But I think because you can get an okay run up, it helps muchly. Doesn't it?
By the way, do you want to say goodbye to everyone before they get
Let me get
bored?
to a good point, because...
Yeah, but they're all bored, they're all switched off. No one likes our videos.
Everybody likes them.
Put in the likes.
Do a like.
Do a like to prove that you like our videos.
Yeah.
And then I can show to Alana that we got 0 likes and no one likes them.
Rude. Everybody likes me though.
Well, yeah.
Who's better, me or Scott? Leave in the
Jeep down your
comments
corner.
below, okay? But yeah, we'll end this one here.
Here or here?
Over here.
Over here.
Over by this gate, we'll end it just here. Look, just here. This is the end of the video.
This is the end of the road.
Video. But yeah.
But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that pod video, and yeah, check out the other videos wherever they may be.
Instagram channel is going to be just here on the little logo.
Probably
thing.
won't be because you're probably not looking anywhere near it, but
Just there.
but yeah, thanks for watching this, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye.